my last night at home before I had to go trucking tomorrow. Just playing a domino game called Mexican Train with my girlfriend. Having a little bit of munchie, chicken cutlet. And I remembered that I had Vicious Viper in the cupboard. My girlfriend is recording this, by the way. Picked this up at the Atwater Market in Montreal on our trip this past summer to go see Slayer at Heave Montreal 2019. This is extremely hot. You can see the scale on here. This stuff is going to drop me on my ass or make things hurt badly. This is upwards of about 2 million Scovilles. So, what we got? Piece of chicken, breaded chicken. I'm a wuss, so I'm going to chase it probably with a glass of pop that we've got here. Give it a shake. And as I've said before, the spiciest thing I like is the potato. As you can see, it's quite thick.
4 drops. 5.
So, here goes nothing. Oh, immediate heat. Oh.
Cat's coming over to see what's going on. You want to try some?
Oh.
Yeah, how you doing, babe?
Immediate heat.
Oh, have another bite, babe.
Oh.
No, with spice.
Oh.
I think you're like sweating.
Oh, shit.
You're sweating like immediately.
Oh.
That was 2 million. You're not supposed
Oh my
to.
god. That just. Oh my god. There's no flavor. It's just all hurt. Exhaling makes it worse. Inhaling, not so bad.
It's gonna get worse, right?
The cat spread eagle while I'm sitting here suffering.
What's he doing, kitty? You feel sorry for him?
At least one of us is enjoying this. 2 of us.
I think it's hilarious.
What the hell?
Oh, you gonna put 5 more drops?
I don't know what that is. Enough to hurt. Right now, my tongue feels like it's swelling up. I'll take a second here. Let's see what the hell's even in this garbage. Vinegar, habanero peppers, pepper extract, tomatoes, mustard, papaya, guava, pineapple, banana, water, sugar, passion fruit. No. There's vinegar and habanero in this. Fuck the rest of it. It's not in here.
Oh, I think the banana's what's upsetting you.
Oh my god.
Okay, do it again.
We'll try it again. This is still burning bad.
You know what goes in does have to come out.
What goes in has to come out. I tried the ass blaster a few weeks ago on chicken strips we had there. It's 400,000 Scovilles. It sucks for 5 minutes after that. It's like you never even ate it. This is starting to back down now, but it still sucks.
Did you ever try it before?
No, it's the first.
Why tonight?
Because we're sitting here playing games, I needed to have a good laugh at my own expense. I needed content for my shave video because apparently I don't have enough shave gear. There's about 4 more drops on here. So just a chicken cutlet we got. I think that's Satan's blood on there.
Stick it in your mouth.
That's Satan's blood.
Stick it in your mouth.
That sounds wrong. Satan's blood on here.
Stick it in your mouth.
Mommy always said not to chew with your mouth open. She wasn't eating this shit though. Oh, suffered.
Is it worse than the first time?
No, I actually kind of get used to it.
No, we'll do a 3rd one.
You do know you have to sleep with me tonight.
I don't have to do nothing. I'm not really your girlfriend. You don't have a girlfriend. I'm behind the camera.
I don't know if my tongue has swelled up, but it feels like it. Okay. Going back for 3rd depths.
Did you research this, Google this to make sure how much you're supposed to take?
Probably not
Once
this
your
much.
first time?
There's 4.
Once you
There's
did 7.
5 and...
You did 5 before.
Oh my god, that's enough.
No, beat
You
your
gotta try
record.
some of this.
I will, after. Do 6. Beat your first one in. You're used to it now. Oh, 7, 8. How many drops on that
A
one?
lot.
Okay.
You know what? I'm not putting it on my hands. I don't want the
No.
Satan's blood. Oh.
Why don't you, like, put just a drop on your tongue? With
No,
it?
I have to put enough drops on my tongue. His tongue isn't forked because he's a snake. It's the heat split open his tongue.
Actually, you look like this now. Just put the bottle up and center it. Do your tongue out again like that. You got enough punishment?
Anyway, guys, this has been Cal doing stupid shit. Enjoy the rest of your night. Don't do this. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
I guess we're not done.
It's just my tongue right now. It's not, it's just starting to burn my throat, but right now my tongue. I apparently don't get the hiccups or snotty, but I do drool. Anyway, guys, this is Cal. Hope you've enjoyed watching this. Please leave your comments, your suggestions, good, bad, indifferent, down below. Preferably good in the comment section below. You guys take care. We'll see you again in a few days. Bye-bye. Hey guys, Cal here. Just a follow-up to doing several drops of Vicious Viper on chicken cutlet. By the way, this is the Domino Mexican train game thingy we're playing. Waiting for my girlfriend to play her hand. So, it was hot. It sucked. But, and I conferred with her, she's can handle hot food better than I can. It was a little bit disappointing. I mean, Ass Blaster is 400,000 Scovilles. It sucks for 5 minutes. This stuff here is significantly hotter than that, but yeah, your tongue feels like it's swollen and, you know, your lips start to burn and all that. But I would say within, about 10 or 15 minutes, I only had a glass of milk.
Well, there you go.
You know, it really subsided. I expected it to hurt longer and more. So, although I do have a Carolina Reaper out there that I got from Al Ruby, I will be doing that soon. They kind of look like, it does actually look like Satan's testicle. So, but I will be doing that eventually. But, yeah, it's not that bad. It subsided within about 15 minutes or so. So, anyway, there's my follow-up, guys. Take care. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.